This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to design a customer fascinator for this Christmas season. I have my cremolin here. This is my cremolin is 1.5. I have my fascinator cup that I've molded. I have had my wire to it. You can learn how to mold on BB Ventures Art. You can learn how to fix your wire to your fascinator on BB Ventures Art, and you can learn how to fix your Alice band on BB Ventures Art. Now let's start. It's just a simple work. I have my feathers I'm going to use to design it. I have my Alice band put at the center to hold the head, and I have my bias to tape around this joining. Then I have my pipe. I want to add it to the accessories that I'm going to use. It's just a simple design that I'm going to give. Take your cremolin. You need your needle and thread. What you are going to look at it, we are going to do the pleating hemming from down. You hold it like this, then you fold it like this. You can use your needle and thread to do it. You have to do the gathers from down. See, just gathers down to the end. Gather and split the end, then draw the thread end to give you something like this. You see that it's folding. Drawing the cremolin together, it will form. Look at it, form like this. Then the next thing for you is to tack the down to just make it firm. Then take your fascinator cup. But now I'm going to fix it at the center. I'm going to tack it down at the center of the fascinator. If you don't want this egg to be showing, you can hem it down. You pass your thread to the top. Then to bring the hand down. You can see the way I do it. We join the hand down. Then tack it. Then the second edge, look at this edge. If you don't want it to be showing, you can hem it down again. Pass your needle from down to up, the way I'm doing it. Then it will draw it down. You can see it. And tack it down. Wow. Now we're going to fix the accessories. You take your feathers. If you have feathers to put, just simple feathers at the middle. Then tack your feather two down. This one I'm going to use it on it as just a simple design. You can use it to form something at the middle. Get it here. Put it at the middle and tack it down. You can see. Then the next thing is that this center, you can get a trim like this. Just cut the trim, or you can put your rose to block the center. can see this is our Christmas fascinator. You can see this is the Christmas fascinator. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.